he setse le dingaka di chitelana nna ke se itse re tlo bona re rileng yo moshimane a re ho itse ka re he another day another diary guys a ke itse ke ska tlasa family or ke diary mjolo a re baleng so moshimane ha thomata ba a re ho itse mang this is between me and my ex-fiance. We met komanchomaning since when both of us really dingaka. I was about 14 years in the industry ya bongaka and yena she had like mama 4 years. How about when ngwanyana experience? Yeah, so we met there and we started dating. It was very nice. Khole monate for about 5 years. Re ratana. Also, I thought. One day the lady visited me and then I hacked her phone. And I went straight to Facebook. This was about 5 months after she had a miscarriage. Boom! I found out hore Mokele o sendelana di nutsi le banna ba bang. What is this? Paul, a Beyonce. A re khwitse ka find out hore monyana o fana le bashimane ba bandingi di nukuru. A re yo khwitse mang nka fila nka re nkagwa. Na ke khono confronta motho ne, so I just gave her her phone. I just gave her the phone inside those chats. Then she apologized. So no flop. 2 years later, she got initiates akira mathwasana. So they were about to graduate. Ne? She said to me she's going to make them a small nyana party for complying. And I was outside the province. She knew I couldn't make it. I couldn't come. Then my underground gang insisted, no, make sure hore ka fitla while she doesn't know. Wena, he ke fitla da, moto ashuba montshetsa mahadi, and turns out that the very same guy was 2 years ago. Yo! What? I don't know, Chomi. Let's make it find that. It turns out ke moshimane o le wa 2 years ago. Moshimane a re ke re hwitse ke kutlwa ka re bangaje ka la bobedi. Yo! A re hwitse ka re what the hell? Jwad. A re ka nna kwale ka netefatsa go bona Mokele wa mpona. A re itse sene Mokele a mpona my fiance a mpona. A re bona my fiance a romela mang? A romela le thosana la hae ka pele go le mpitse o nyako bolela le nna. A re ke sene ke tsena ka kwampelele go papa we a o tlo ntshinyetsa dilo batho ba ke ba boleletse wena o tshomia ka nna le wena a re joli so gone ya nonyana go nyalwa nna so wena o itshware ya ka le ga o re tla ilukisa morao. A re itse manga ke moshimane le havoko nna ke moshimane fela o itidimaletseng ka didimala ka tswa motabeng. He ke sene ke tswa motabeng he ke ntse ke le hana mole ngwanyana o mong which is ngwanyana wa go bomang wa go bomoshimane ona cousin ya moshimane o nyalang my supposed fiance. A re cousin ya moshimane ya tla ya ra aman why wena abuti o ntse o li bane and then e ka re o sede yana go iragalang ka wena hape nna o ka se nne sede ka lenyalo la chomi ya hao. A re ka re lenyalo la chomi ya ka re hape nna makoti re boleletse go wena o gay friend ya hae and nna ke mmoditse ka re wena o bona halo o le gay and o tshwere shebo se se sharp so o tshwere shebo se se sharp nna papa ke ikopela di number ene ka tshekole re bone hore nna le wena re etsang he dilo di ya ko kae di ya ko mantamba meng. A re itse manga wa ka exchange di number ona mole ra tlotla ra no bjala one thing led to another ka tsama le ngwanyana ona ra ile re pa hes ne re ile re pa a ra berekisa khotlopo ka re moya kwa exco protect yourself. A re no chomi ra re tla awa hes ne re tla nna le ngwanyana ra tswela pele re ipuela ka phone after lenjalo lele re ntse re ipuela ka phone ngwanyana mpolelo ra wa amprex. A re ka mmolelo wa pregnant a was ke etsa abortion e khipa ngwana o a re ngwanyana khipa ngwana a belegwa ngwana a gola so big so deke nna le ngwanyana ntse re bolela my supposed ex fiance o ile re ngone ya no o engaged or married to this other man ha sa bolela le nna. A re itse mang ko nna ke berekelang ko teng ke ko plekeng engwe a re ke ntse hona ko plekeng ele ke ikennetse wa itse re le banna re tshwara ke tlala ka go tshwara ke tlala ke yain o tshwara ke tlala yae a ba wentse ke tshwere ke tlala ka itsamaela ke ikela di spotong bona so big so deke male ke tsama ke tletla ke tsama ke loma ka ikopanela le ngwanyana he ke kopana le ngwanyana o mpolelo o tswa go plekeng e rileng pleke eo ke ko bomang ke ko bomoshimane o nyetseng my ex-fiance a tswang ko teng ngwanyana o ne ile makoti wa ka ko lapeng lele mara gone ya nong ka re dilo di a teka ena le monna hae a ga o wa go itse so big so deke mal nna le ngwanyana ga ithomela ya rena ra tsamaisana lobaka ka go setting ele ya mmereko mara ke ntse ke le in contact le my baby mama ka re okay chomi ya no motho mo confused a re chomi bongaka ke bongaka ka re yo hey ang chomi ka tla go bolelle aowa ka go ya no nna badimo ba go hae a ba mphametse dikotlolo ka rutela le kafa go nna le ngwana ka bona re ke ditse phoso ka re ke bolelle baby mama kako ka re ke bolelle baby mama so gone ya no go itsimang he ke bua le wena yana ke na le bana ba babedi go go lapeng le le one ke na le ngwana le mang ke na le ngwana le ngwana ka fale ke na le ngwana le makoti wa ka mole mara makoti ona o gopolo re ena le monna ha idilwa di ring a di tsamaye fandi 11 ge ke ntse ke digesta yona e o go itsimang ngwana mma my former ex-fiance o ya go bua monna chomi itse ke bolela moshimano ke re sendele proof o postile bana ba hae le bo mma bona mo di picture go Facebook o kwetse mother of my first child, mother of my second child, and then gone eno o ka re moshimane ona o batlo go balana le makoti which is the ex-fiance hae a mo fe ngwana because a re ke mandate wa hae o go a ba fe bana so that a nne le bana ba bararo ka mo lapeng lele. I was like wena o needa wa bona ena re ira di reflexes ka yona phathela hema wena o inyaka mo guys a ke sa itse gore ya no moshimane o nya go senya ka go lapeng lele or go etsagala eng and then ya no o ka re o baby mama number 1 o findile out ka baby mama number 2 and you know ha find out o gopolo re ya no bona ke boeng ke bo squeezer a ke baby number 1 le baby number 2 baby mama number 2 ke bo squeezer he le bo squeezer mara ke bo squeezer ba ile reng ona se tsa tswile mo lapeng lena na se tla partake ka mara kana o gopolo o nyetse lena initially so le kana se tla utlwana le monna hae mara sentse le waka ko bone fa di number tsa hae le lina la ile mo thibeng nna go sentse le teng ai